you, dear friends. Thank you, lovers of mathematics. I am tutor Cletus Okole. In today's math class, we shall be taking the Olympiad mass exponential question, where we are given if 3 raised to log x base 4 is equal to 27, then we are expected to find the value of x. Kindly subscribe to my channel if it is your first time stopping by, and then also like my videos. We dive in, watch till the end. Alright, then taking a solution, we are given to solve 3 raised to log x base 4, all equal to 27. I will start by the right hand side, and what I will do is to write my 27 in base 3, since the left hand side is also given to me in base 3. Alright, 27 is the same as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 3 raised to power 3. 3 times. That is 27. So I write 3 raised to log x base 4 is equal to 3 raised to 3. Good. Next, if you look at it, you see the bases are the same. They are equal. We now apply a law in indices that says if we are given x raised to a equal to x raised to b, therefore a is equal to b. It is a law in indices that when the bases are equal, the powers becomes equal as well. Therefore, we cancel out the bases and then have the powers written equal. This is equal to 3. Now we have it as log x base 4 equal to 3. But looking at this, we can simply apply the definition of logarithms. This is log x base 4 equal to 3. But the definition of logarithm says that if you are given the log of n to base a, that it is equal to x. That is, x is the answer. Now, what it implies is that you are looking for the number which the base must be raised to. That is, the base raised to the answer should be equal to that number you are finding the log. This is simply the definition of logarithm, that the log of a number to base a is the power to which the base must be raised to get the number. As simple as that. That is the definition of logarithm. So applying that definition here, it means that 4 raised to 3 should be equal to x. I write 4 raised to 3 is equal to x. See it here. My x is n. My 4 here is the base a. And this 3 stands for x. Therefore, a raised to x is equal to n. 4 raised to 3 is equal to x. We can now conclude here that x is equal to 4 raised to 3 means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 4 raised to 3. 3 raised to 3 is 3 times 3 times 3. So, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, and 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. We write that x is equal to 64. Final answer. It is a brief one. Next step, we want to check the result. The result we want to verify is because we have gotten x, we want to put the value of x into the original question to see if it will give us exactly what we have by the right hand side. Therefore, we have 3 raised to log of x base 4. We are told that this is equal to 27. Now, my x is gotten to be 64. I will substitute x in this question. My target is to see if the left hand side will be equal to Right hand side after evaluation. I write 3 raised to log x, which is now 64 base 4. Is it equal to 27? That is the question. We move on. I want you to see, I want to evaluate the power first. This in circle is what I want to evaluate. But I want to get the log of 64 base 4. I want to solve it. When I get it, I put it as the power of 3. Going by that, I'll still apply this definition. Log n base a. I don't know it. It is equal to x. It is equal to x. From this definition, a raised to x is equal to n. 4 raised to x is equal to 64. 4 raised to x is equal to 64. Beautiful. Now, 4 raised to x is equal to 64. Here, we got that 64 is the same as 4 times 4 times 4, which is 4 raised to 3. 3 times 3 times 3 raised to 3. 4 times 4 times 4 is 4 raised to 3. Beautiful. Come back here. X raised to power a is equal to x raised to power b. Therefore, the powers should be equal. So I cancel this, and the x now will be equal to 3. Mass is life. Alright, I have gotten log 64 base 4 as equal to 3. That is equal to x, and that x now is 3. Very good. I have not concluded. I will now take this 3 and come back to this place and now have it written. Therefore, 3 raised to log 64 base 4 equal to 27. I will now replace log 64 base 4. Okay? I will replace log 64 base 4 as 3, because that is what I solved here and I got my answer to be 3. So I write 3 raised to power 3. Is it equal to 27? That's the question. Yes, we agreed from the starting point that 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. So I write 27 is equal to 27. Concluding and authenticating the answer we got for x, that the value of x is equal to 64. Alright, and it's very correct. Thank you for watching to the end. I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. Like my videos and also subscribe if it is your first time of watching my video. God bless you.